Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS up to date and iCloud keychain active. Once that's confirmed, open Settings and tap Passwords. Authenticate with Face ID or your device passcode so the passkeys list appears. Scroll to the account you want to change and tap it. This is where you begin editing or replacing a passkey. Make sure you have access to the linked website or app since you may need to re-register. Now tap the passkey entry to reveal available actions and proceed to the next step. Once you select an account, choose whether to remove the old passkey or add a new one. Removing clears the stored credential and adding starts re-registration. When you pick Add New Passkey, your iPhone initiates the website or app's registration flow. Follow their prompts exactly. Use Face ID or Touch ID to authorize the new key. The iPhone then saves it to iCloud Keychain for sync. Make sure the site confirms the new authentication before leaving the flow, so to finish, test the change. Sign out of the site or app and sign back in using the new passkey. You should be prompted to use Face ID or Touch ID. If it doesn't work, make sure iCloud Keychain's synced, toggle it off and on, and wait a minute, then retry. If problems persist, use the account's recovery options or the website's support to remove old credentials server-side. Remember to keep a recovery method active so you can regain access if a passkey is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.